Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to be making this recipe, bun slash puff puff recipe. Yes, it is puff puff but also looking like bun. So let's get at it. So for my flour, I'm using 300 gram of flour. So this recipe I made it mainly for home consumption. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you see the full gist of everything. So after sieving, I added sugar. I did about 4 TBS of sugar. The full recipe will be in the description section. I added salt. I added nutmeg. I added margarine. And yes, you are adding yeast, 1 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You should use equal amounts of yeast and baking powder for you to get that buns and puff puff texture. After then, I added my margarine and then I mixed everything together. So if you are making your puff puff, you can use room temperature water, especially if you are just a beginner. So for this I added coconut milk, which contains some spices. Yes, 1 cup of coconut milk which contains some spices. So and I began to mix gently because I don't want my water to be too much. So as I mix, I added water as necessary. So make sure that your batter is thick and you mix it very well till it is fluffy. So make sure your batter is thick. You can use room temperature water, and as you mix, it's going to create it in the batter itself. So it's not even compulsory you use warm water. So you mix it very well, like you are mixing your donut dough. After then, you cover up for like 30 to 45 minutes till it doubles in size, and after then you scoop into your oil. So if your batter is not too watery, it will be easy for you to be able to scoop. So this recipe was fluffy, just like cake. It was very soft, it was very fluffy, just like cake. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share. If you have any challenges with making puff puff, or if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Like I said, it is just for home consumption and it is very delicious. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow. See you next time.